We don't go for home remedies like, honey or camphor is a strict no.
So my other question too is like a normal episode of cough, cold and fever is usually considered to be managed at home. But sometimes the baby is not responding to the treatment you feel is right. So when do we take the baby to the pediatrician or still keep on continuing with the home remedies only?
Right. So the main thing that we focus on is hydration. The baby's hydration has to be really good, and you have to ensure that if you're continuing the treatment at home. But initially, see, not every sneeze needs a medicine, okay, and not every cough needs a medicine. But again, if the baby is less than 1 year old, we don't go for home remedies like, honey or camphor is a strict no for babies who are less than 1 year old. And there are certain red flags that we need to see. So whether it is hurried breathing, the baby is breathing really heavily and fast, and there is very high fever.
Okay, what do you consider to be a high fever?
High fever, I would say anything above 100, okay, is high, okay, or it's fever for the baby basically. And of course, if it's 101, 102, it's very high grade fever. But then high grade fever, and along with these signs of hurried breathing, okay, and the baby is not taking the feeds adequately, the urine is less, so you know that you're not able to keep up with the good hydration at home.
Yes,
you definitely have to visit the doctor, you have to visit the pediatrician. Yeah. And no over the counter antibiotics.